Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
Today, we're going to learn something super useful in HTML. It's called a class. A class in HTML is like a label or a name you give to an element, like a div tag, p tag, or h1 tag. This label helps you style or target that element using CSS or JavaScript. Here, highlight is the class. It helps you apply styles easily. Instead of styling each tag one by one, you can use a class and apply the same style to many elements. Only the first paragraph has the class highlight, so only it gets the red and bold style. The second one stays normal. You can use the same class for many elements. That's what makes it powerful and easy to manage. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below if you want to learn more about HTML or CSS. See you next time.